Ya tiene según Consimiento el Zamcelco, Consejo y Gobyerno local y el General Assembly para implementar con el Investment Management Contract. Según con Consejal Charlie Mariano, prioridad del Zamcelco el IMC, como cosa el mandato del General Assembly del otro año.
For the meantime, let the proposal of the property take the back seat and we prioritize the implementation of the IMC. I was made to understand that within the month of March, ay pwede man finalize el preparation for the bidding and eventually the award to the winning bidder for the IMC. So anyway, talyaman espera lang kita con el IMC and let this be the priority of the Zamcelco board as understood by both the City Council and the City Mayor's Office. Kay el IMC, amo kita prekurar rin po una-una kayo.
Según con Mariano, más que niya pasa resolución el Consejo para soportar con el negosasyon na vendida del propiedad del Zamcelco na putik, hindi quiere decir kay man una el vendida del propiedad, el Zamcelco na implementación del Investment Management Contract. Tiene según kondisyon el Consejo ya pone na resolusyon kay debe seguir el Zamcelco na propio proseso tamanda el ley. Kumpundido también si Mariano con el notisya kaya conduce el Zamcelco con el referendum na un distrito. Según con Charlie Mariano, quien corre para konsehal otra vez en Distrito 1, propio para con el Zamcelco, llama un General Assembly, donde puede sila presentar ventaja y desventaja si vende con la propiedad del cooperativa na putik.
Resolution supporting the initiative offered by the proponent to buy the property from Zamcelco, not exactly of the transaction itself, because technical mga conditions siya set kami na resolution. Uno niya, it is without prejudice to the participation or involvement of other interested parties, not only one buyer or potential buyer. We have to consider other potential buyers giving us the most advantageous offers. Second, it should be without prejudice to the investment management contract. We made that very clear. And this was part of the discussions. The intent of the resolution was not to prejudice the implementation of the IMC. And thirdly, it should be in accordance with all existing laws, rules, and regulations, specifically PD 269. And PD 269 has not been amended. Your Junior was correct. For as long as the law has not been amended, it should be followed to the letter.
Ayer na programa del Dateline Teleradio, y habla si Congresista Celso Lobregat, el propósito para vender con el 7.4 hectárea propiedad del Zamcelco, hindi el solusyon para eliminar con el problema del systems loss.
Hindi siya el solusyon del financial problem. El solusyon del financial problem ay man-improve sila, i-abhas el Zamcelco el dila systems loss, which normally allowed systems loss is 13, but systems loss hours 20 and above. Kumutabla yun, for every 1% systems loss, that is equivalent to 2 million pesos a month. So if you have 7 over 13, which is 20, that is 7 times 2 is 14 million pesos a month. Perde, times 12 months is 160 plus million a year. So, maski vende sila ang propiedad, paga sila parte del debe. Hindi sila pwede paga todo el debe. Paga sila parte del debe.
Gilbert Manuel, Dateline Zamboanga.